hiding over there. See? What is that? What is Papi doing?
These are milkweed.
It is milkweed.
See if you get him. See if you get him.
There is Papi in the video. Just give me a second. See?
Hit a rock.
There he goes. One milkweed in. How many do we have?
There's one.
And how many do you see? All of them.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
4,
those
5,
plants that we put in,
6,
they're doing pretty
7,
good.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
All right.
Wow. 27, 28, 29, 30, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29,
30.
32,
34, 35.
26, 27, 28, 29, 28, 10. Oh, the guys are over there. Those mosquitoes. Mommy, let's go. Let's go.
Where is the mosquito?
No.
Okay, we're moving. Where?
There's
Where?
a